Add water and neutral low foam cleaner to the solution tank. Install the squeegee assembly. Adjust the angle of the squeegee assembly and fasten the connector. Install the suction hose. Connect the power supply. Panel function introduction, power switch. Brush button, suction button, spot spray button, one-click start, forward and reverse button, increase water volume button, reduce water volume button, travel speed adjustment knob, self-propelling function switch. Turn on the power switch. Tap the one-click start button. Choose the right amount of water and travel speed. Press and hold the self-propelled function switch to move the machine forward. Brush height adjustment knob. Rotate clockwise to reduce the height of the brush. Rotate counterclockwise to raise the height of the brush. Demonstration of cleaning hard floor surfaces. Lift the squeegee assembly before making the machine move backwards. Before using the machine to clean the carpet, remove the squeegee assembly and replace it with a carpet wand. Carpet cleaning demonstration. Optional accessories: install extension hose and detailing wand. Turn on the suction function and the spot spray function. Demonstration of use. Discharge sewage after cleaning.